Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel by Florence Tracker. Today's video we are going to make a best green tea with milk and sugar. This is going to be very delicious and we are going to mix everything together. It's very simple green tea that you can have and it's healthy because the tea that we are going to use is probiotic green tea and very healthy for our body. So we're going to put all that together and we'll see how it comes out because I have some taste for green tea. So let's put it together. Okay, so the ingredient I'm going to use in today's green tea with milk and sugar is going to be, I have a green tea that I'm going to use. I'm going to use the one bag of the green tea. I love this green tea because it's a probiotic green tea. It's very healthy and it has a ginger in it, and so I like to drink this a lot and it's very healthy for you, and that's why I'm going to use that tea bag. You can use a loose tea leaves if you have one. You can use a black tea, which is really good as well. I'm going to add a fresh ginger. This is just like 1 inch fresh ginger, and then we are going to use a milk, 1 cup of milk, and we are going to boil everything together. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this ginger. Just take a peel off real just nicely, it's not much, and we are just going to cut that just in a little. All right, so I just put a pan on. I'm going to turn it on a little bit hot, putting in our 1 cup of milk. And with that, I am adding the ginger, and then this is the tea bag. I'm just going to take the edge off here and I'm going to add the tea bag into this, and we're going to let this just to simmer a little bit for a few minutes. So our tea is simmering. Just give it a few more minutes to simmer nicely, and then we are just going to pour this. So that our tea has simmered nicely, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Just 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you like a lot of sugar, you can add more, but I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I don't want it to be too sweet. And then the ginger has infused, the green tea has infused nicely. So this is our best green tea with milk and sugar. Tea is ready because this is how we want it. All right, so I am just going to strain this tea here. This is lovely. It smells good because of the ginger we put in. Everything smells so nicely. And then we are just going to frost. I want to have a little frost in my tea. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to do this like that, and this way like that as well. If you like frost on your tea, this is how you can make it, and then it cools it down as well if it's too hot, and you just keep doing this continuously and you will see how frosted your tea is becoming. Depends on how many times you make it, is how frosted you have your tea. See that? Okay, and that should be enough. All right, and as you can see, our tea is frosted and it's ready to drink, and so I'm gonna give this a taste. So friends, we just finished making our green tea with milk and sugar, and this is very delicious. I'm going to give it a taste. I taste a little bit of ginger, just a little, then the green tea, everything incorporated very nicely. This is very simple tea you can make if you are feeling down. Just feel you have a taste for milk and green tea. Just use the probiotic green tea and then just simmer it and then strain it, then enjoy. Tea is ready. So we just add a little ginger to it, to the probiotic green tea with the milk all together, and with very delicious, best tasting green tea that you ever drink. And so I would like you to try it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as always. Thank you for watching my videos. I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.